Hi everyone, I'm going to start with the base first. To start with the base, I'm going to start with the moisturizer. You can use the moisturizer of your choice. Just your skin needs to be well hydrated before you start with your makeup. Next, I'm going to color correct. For color correcting, I'm using this palette by MAC. I'm going to use a concealer that is darker than my shade to cover the pigmentation. After you apply the concealer, whatever is remaining on the brush, you can take it on your eyelids. I'm going to apply some loose powder over the concealer. After I have applied a foundation with a brush, I am going in with a wet beauty blender. It will even out the foundation and it will soak the excess foundation. Next, I am going to highlight my face. I am using a light color concealer for this. Next, I am going in with some blush. I am going to use a cream blush, so I am applying it on my hand first. I am going to pick up the product from my hand and then apply it. I apply the blush on my nose also. You can skip this step if you want to. Little bit on the chin. Next, I am going to set the base with some loose powder. If you feel that your concealer is creasing under eye, you can go in with the wet beauty blender again and then set it. Next, I'm going to contour my face. For that, I'm using this palette by Swiss Beauty. I'm going to contour my nose with my fingers as I can't find my brush. I'm going to highlight only my nose. In the end, you will know why. I'm going to use some setting spray on my base. For today's makeup, I'm going to keep my eyebrows really natural. So I'm just going to brush them downwards first. Take some brow pomade. I'm using this brow pomade by PAC. These products tend to dry, so cover the lid. I'm just going to fill in. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to fill in the sparse areas. You see, I'm holding the brush, the longer side on this side, shorter side on this side, right side, when I'm filling in my right eyebrow. Next, I'm going to start with my eye makeup. I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer. I want that eyeshadow to really pop. So now some eyeshadow palettes work without eyeshadow primer really fine. They have nice pigmentation, but this eyeshadow palette that I have by Coastal Scents, it really needs eyeshadow primer because the eyeshadows are not that pigmented. I'm going to be using this color first. I'm going to start with this color on my inner corner. Next, I'm going in with this darker green. I'm going to place it next to this one. Next, I'm going to use this shade. Not exactly transition shade, but I want to place it here. Whatever is remaining on the brush, pull it in. Next, I'm going to use a dark shade of purple on my outer corner. I'm going to use this shade. Don't add in more color till the first shade is not blended. I'm going to blend this shade on my lower lash line. I'm going in with the dark purple again, close to my lash line. Only on the outer corner. So it looks all blended together. I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. You can see I've just created a small wing. Next, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. Next, I'm going to use this palette by Profusion Cosmetics. This color here, this shade. I'm going to apply it here. In case I have missed any product, I have mentioned all of them in the description box below. You can see how pretty that looks. So I'm going to take some glitter glue and add it here.
Hey guys.
Tu Maja. Don't take such type of glitters too close to the eye. They are dangerous. I'm going to add some glue.
Glue Lola.
Full.
Mina.
And this is the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.